Welcome to 8 Quanta Library Content. In this video, we will discuss what is a dropship item in NetSuite. A dropship item is a product that is shipped directly from the vendor to the customer, bypassing your inventory. Since it is not received into your inventory, it does not impact inventory asset accounts or affect stock levels. Furthermore, when a dropship item is ordered, a purchase order is automatically created. What is its GL impact in transactions? Item receipt or fulfillment has no GL impact for dropship transactions, while the GL impact on a cash sale or invoice is a debit to cash or accounts receivable and a credit to sales. To illustrate, here is an example of a dropship item. Under the Purchasing or Inventory tab, you can see that the dropship item checkbox is selected. Additionally, under the Vendors sub-tab, a preferred vendor has been set, and a purchase price has also been added. Now, let's proceed to create a sales order for the dropship item. Enter a customer in the sales order. Next, add the dropship item. Make sure to specify the location for the order to indicate where the sale is being processed or fulfilled. Click the Save button to finalize the sales order. After saving the sales order, you can see that the system has automatically generated a purchase order for the dropship item. Now, let's open both the sales order and the purchase order to review the details. The sales order can now be fulfilled, while the purchase order can be marked as shipped once the vendor has sent the item directly to the customer. If you check the sales order, you will notice that the status has changed from pending fulfillment to pending billing. Now, let's review the GL impact of the item fulfillment. Notice that there is no GL impact since the item was not received into inventory. Next, let's proceed with billing the sales order to generate an invoice for the customer. Now, let's review the GL impact of the invoice. As expected, you will see that the accounts affected are only accounts receivable and sales, since the item was not received into inventory and does not impact inventory asset accounts. And that wraps up this video. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found it helpful. See you in the next one.